Thanks for being a Worth customer. So your Worth representative is here to help you. Some things may be faster and easier to do online. You can browse the entire catalog, reorder from your history, create shopping lists, track your shipping, access safety data sheets, and you have access to all that 24/7 using the online features. But in order to shop and buy products from our website, you have to be registered. So let's take a look on how to create your own online account. So first things first, you want to go to our website. Just type in worthusa.com in the search bar. Then click on Sign In, Register, Reset Password. It's right here on the upper right-hand corner. Scroll down and you'll see the section that says, I am a Worth USA customer without an online account. So you are going to need your Worth USA account number. If you don't know your account number, just pull up an invoice from Worth. You'll find your account number here. Now that we know your account number, you'll type it in here. Next, type in your first and last name. You can have multiple users on your account, so keep that in mind. Next, enter your email. Then type it in again. This is to make sure we have the correct email. Then enter your phone number. Now the username. The username has to be unique in our system. Simple usernames usually get rejected as they are the first to go. Also keep in mind the username cannot be changed, so make sure it's something you can remember as well. A good suggestion may be using your account number or maybe your initials with the account number. Then type in your password and retype it. Once again, to confirm the password you are wanting, is the password actually being registered? And then we have the zip code. The zip code has to be the zip code that Worth USA has on file. Then click on Register. If you have any errors, we just have to fix it. So here, my username is already taken. I just have to come up with a different username. I'll use my initials and the account number. And my zip code is wrong. It has to be the zip code that Worth has on file, even if you have multiple shops or just recently moved. So my shop's zip on file is the zip code. Then type in your password and retype it. Now we'll hit register again, and now my errors have been fixed. Before you can start shopping, you have to activate your account. An email is sent with the activation link. It's labeled from New User Activation Link. If you don't see it in your inbox, check your spam folder. You have 24 hours to activate your account. If you don't, you'll have to have a new activation code sent to you. Once you have the email, click the activation link button. It will redirect you back to the Worth USA page, and right here, it informs you that your account is now active. Now just sign in with the information you registered with. As you can see, your username is here, and you now have an account, which when you click on it, has all different options. If you have any questions or issues, get in touch with your Worth representative or contact us at 1-800-WORTH-USA.